your Chief Joy Officer. For today, we're going to make magazine art! Before we start this activity, make sure to wash your hand with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. After washing your hand, let's get our materials ready. We'll be needing blank paper or colored paper, old magazines, pens or highlighters for drawing, glue stick, glue, scissor, and that's it. First, let's prepare our blank canvas. I personally use recycled paper or scratch paper. The more you recycle, the better. Or another option is you can search online and search for a blank face like this one and have it printed out. And now we're gonna browse our old magazine and search for an eyes or face that we can cut out, like this one. You can cut their face, their lips, their eyes. I personally want to remove it first and then cut it out. So let's use her lips. Careful! And I'm done with my cutouts, and now I'm gonna draw my blank face. You can draw circle, square, but I personally modeled it in my own face, so it's like a square shape, like this one. Yep, and that's it. It's time to glue your cutouts and put it on your blank face. There. This is your work of art. You can be as creative as you want. I'm going to put the nose that I cut out from the magazine. There. For my last cut out, it's the hair. There you go. So this is my female blank face. I'm happy to see what you have done. Don't forget to tag us at Instagram or Facebook at Discover Shores Boracay. I'll see you around!